back to Vlogmas Day 7, I think. Right now, I'm so happy because we're currently here at SM Lanang Premiere because we're going to buy gifts for our manito manitas. So I'm going to show you guys mga gift ideas for your manitos and manitas for all kinds of ages. So pwede pang kids, pang teenagers, and for adults. So yun yung papakita ko sa inyo today. Kasi nga, Christmas is coming, guys. And Christmas parties are everywhere right now. Right now, we're specifically at Toy Kingdom. Bibili muna tayo ng for kids. So unahin natin yung mga pang kids na mga gifts. Kasi yung brother ko, he's still 13 years old. And his manito or manita, I think, kaya gusto ng something from Toy Kingdom. So let's go! If you want to buy gifts for children or for kids, Toy Kingdom is the best place to go to. Ayun. So hanapin ko man ang aking family because vlogging is life and my family is lost. So right now, I'm finding an LOL doll for my cousin. She is... How old is Cheska?
6, 7?
She's 7 years old.
Mahal ba yan ang LOL?
Gonna choose from this LOL dolls for my cousin. Pag makita nila ng vlog, eh, mabalaan na nila na. Sila akong nagulutan. This one. So cute. Okay, so ito yung na-buy namin dito sa Toy Kingdom. Slime kit for your manita and LOL doll for another party niya. And this one for your manito. Manito niya. Okay, so the good thing about Toy Kingdom, kasi pwede siya ipag-gift wrap for free as long as aabot ata yung item nyo for 300 pesos and above. So, sa kanila na yung wrapper, yung gift cards, and nakasave pa kayo ng time. So, ayan. Kami na yung next na magpapa-wrap. Guys, pagalino, oh my God! Super laki! Oh my God! Nagatakbo mga tao! Oh my gosh! Kalakas! Oh my God, guys! That wasn't normal at all. Grabe ka! Look!
Libara sa guard.
So guys, we just experienced a strong earthquake dito sa SM.
Siguro.
It's my first time to experience an earthquake sa mall.
May
Na ganun
nahulog
kalakas.
ang mga gamit.
Oo, naadyo mga nahulog na gamit sa Toy Kingdom. Kanang tinuod niya na ang mga sign good sa Toy Kingdom kay nag-ana-ana jud. Kusog jud siya, guys, no joke. Take care always.
6.8 daw.
6.8. 6.8?
Dito sa Davao, 6.8.
Oh my
Malakas.
gosh, kalakas. Hi guys, so we're back inside after how many minutes? Because I think na-check naman na ang building and okay na ata. So anyway, everything's fine now. And kukunin lang namin yung pag-gift wrap namin na gifts. So keep safe again, everyone! Guys, joke lang. Naglinod the second time around. Muli na jud, midili na jud ko. Bye! I'll just continue this vlog next time, guys. Sorry jud kaayo. Day 7 and 8 na lang jud ni guys. Bye! Hi guys, so after an hour of finding saan kami kakain kasi almost all restaurants kasi closed because of the recent earthquakes. We decided to eat at 𝐋𝐞𝐿. But ang buffet nila ay mag-start pa at 5 p.m. so we have to wait. But super gutom na kasi wala pa kaming lunch. Since sa Abriza, ay sa SM Lanang, sana kami mag-lunch. But yun nga, diba, because of the earthquake, we decided to leave na lang the mall. Kasi twice guys, twice kami na earthquake. So, wala lang, kailangan parang sign na talaga na kailangan namin umalis. So right now, buy na lang muna kami ng cakes dito sa CPTL. At least para lang hindi kami masyadong magutuman kasi 5 p.m. pa yung mag-start. So, I'll let you see the food later. Finally, the buffet is open. We have rice, fried rice, this one. So that's chicken and sushi rolls. Yeah. We also have tempura. I'm so hungry. Paspasan ninyo eh. Yeah, got tempura, the rolls, dim sum, kimchi, more rolls, chicken. Hey everybody, it's currently 9:30 in the evening and bumalik kami sa SM kasi wala nang other time yung parents ko to buy gifts. That's why we decided to buy gifts na lang and we decided to go back na lang sa SM Lanang. We made sure na it's safe na. Sabi nila, okay naman daw. Wala namang big damage dito sa SM. So, we decided to continue na lang our gift shopping. However, malapit na mag-close. So, nagmamadali na kami. And so, right now, hinahinaan ko lang ang boses ko kasi nandito kami sa National Bookstore. Also, National Bookstore is a great place to be if you want to give gifts for your friends or your family. From school supplies to office supplies. Di ba kapag nakatanggap tayo ng school supplies or office supplies, talaga may ibang tao na sobrang happy talaga. And yun talaga yung wishlist nila. Currently, parang naghahanap sila ng scientific calculator. Scientific calculator ata yung ibibigay ng kapatid ko sa manita niya. So, ito na yung para sa unique po di mong manita, no? Kay kuan, scientific calculator, hindi pa nga yun. Tingnan nyo guys, napaka-cute ng journals nila. See, ang dami talaga ng gift ideas dito. So, look, diary, it's so cute. If you know na yung friend nyo, mahilig magsulat. Yan, madaming cute diaries and journals dito, pati planners. Hey guys, we're here at Uniqlo and we got, hindi ko na pakita sa kanila. I'm sorry, I forgot to vlog kasi na-busy kami kasi nagsukat siya ng outfit for their Christmas party. Also, I got a jacket because for study kasi mahilig kami mag-study sa coffee shop. It's so comfy to wear a jacket. So, yun. So, I'm gonna show you later what we got. Close na yung ibang stalls kasi it's almost 10. And yung iba, kanina pa siya nag-close. Like, yung pag-earthquake, hindi na sila nag-open ulit. So, guys, I think I'm gonna end the vlog in here. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I know, napaka-mix niya na vlog kasi dapat talaga gift ideas siya. However, parang super mix niya na kasi yun dahil nga sa earthquake, unexpected yun. Gagawin ko na lang siguro ito, preparation for Christmas party vlog. Ganun ba? So, ewan ko ba? Vlog lang ako ng vlog. Kasi ang tagal ko na din hindi nakapag-post ng direct-diretso sa Vlogmas. So, I'm really sorry guys. Pupunta na kami sa parking. Dito na kami nag-parking sa taas kasi nakakatakot mag-parking sa basement. Because, you know, we don't know what might happen. Dapat nga hindi na kami bumalik dito pero wala na kasing ibang time talaga. Hindi pa pala kami punta ng parking lot. Ingay. Bibili pa kami ng bread sa bread shop. Guys, you should visit Bread Talk if closing time na kasi their breads are 30% off. So, it's a great deal. Hindi naman din ito nila magagamit for tomorrow. So, hi guys! I'm back home right now and I know I ended the vlog earlier sa SM Lanang kanina but I totally forgot to show you the things that we got from Uniqlo. So, ito. This one. We got this shirt, like yung basic shirt nila. Yan. This is for my brother. Madami na kami ganitong shirt, but iba yung color kasi sobrang comfy niya and it's only for sale pala siya. 290 na lang. Kasi usually parang 500 ata to. O 590 ata ang original price. May sale siya guys. Look, 290 na lang siya. which is good. Also, guys, a Mickey Mouse shirt. Guess yung kanino to? Ha? Guess nyo? Hindi sa mga kapatid ko. So, father, sa papa ko to, guys. See? So cute. Batang isip pa. For $5.90, guys, for a Mickey Mouse shirt. Also, this one's my favorite. Yeah. Guys, sobrang tagal ko nang gustong magkaroon ng hoodie from Uniqlo. Meron ako noon, yung cotton na type, pero nawala siya, guys. So, gusto ko talaga bumili ng bago kasi it's very useful. Especially ngayon, na exam week namin, jackets or hoodies are the best. For me, pag gusto kasi naka-cover yung ulo ko good. So, yun, pag naka-hoodie ako, parang mas nakakaisip ako ng maayos, yung ganun. I think it's just a psychological thinking, but yeah, it works for me. By the way, guys, shout out to my mom kasi siya talaga yung bumili ng lahat ng things na ngayon na pinakita ko sa video. Yung mga pinamili namin, guys, yung mom ko talaga bumili. So, shout out to my mom. She's the best. Like, she gives like, hindi naman lahat, but most of the time, she really say yes to the things that we want, even though we don't really need it. But you know, mothers, they always want us to have the best. So, wala lang, nakaka-touch. So, shout out to my mom again. Thank you, mom. Emotional. Ito na siya, guys. Klaro ba siya? This is a hoodie. Size small siya, guys. Kasi sa men's, ito siya na department. Kasi hindi ako makahanap ng ganito sa women's. But I think unisex naman siya. 75% polyester siya and 25% cotton siya. May zipper siya here, sa sides. Basta sobrang comfy niya, guys. I really liked it. It's $19.90. Parang for a jacket, para sa akin, pricey siya. But it's super sulit, guys. Sana hindi na ito mawala. Okay, next is this bag. So, more on sa kapatid ko lang to, yung Christmas party outfit niya. So, ito yung sa youngest brother ko. It's a khaki ankle pants. And guys, sobrang ganda ng pants sa Uniqlo. Also, fun fact lang, my family loves the brand Uniqlo so much. Like, they have great quality. And sobrang affordable lang. Like, hindi sila overpriced. That's why, see, this khaki pants, kay $9.90 lang siya. Sobrang comfy niya na. The last item that I'm going to show you is the partner nito. Yung outfit ng kapatid ko is this shirt. Ta-da! So finally, that is it. Promise, ito na talaga yung end ng vlog. Thank you guys so much. I'm really sorry for not being updated sa VLOGMAS. Again, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you do, please give it a thumbs up. Share this video. Tell your friends to watch my vlog. Also, subscribe to my channel. So yun na. Thank you guys so much. Bye!
Jingle bells rock, jingle bells time.